I built parts of the personal finance software Quicken Simplify for $100 in AI tokens. It costs hundreds of thousands of dollars to build this application in a pre-AI world. AI is making software almost free to build. That hits companies and it hits people too. Recently, a team cloned Google Docs and Google Sheets, serious business applications, within a few days. There's another company, and they build AWS automation software, costing thousands of dollars a month, and had a solid customer base. And Cloud Code functionally replaced their product. You can guess what happened next. Sales decline, layoffs, years of work gone in months. We're witnessing a shift from a pre-AI world to an AI world. We haven't seen a shift like this since the Industrial Revolution. The shift is putting businesses and people out of work. I might sound anti-AI, but I'm not. I'm really pro-AI. But I also see the impact of AI on people, me included, because it's impacting people. I've been laid off twice in the last 14 months due to increased productivity by AI. So, yeah, AI's impact is real. This led me to ask the question, what makes me, me? What can't AI replicate? I landed on three things. First is data. Companies like Quicken have decades of customer data. Sure, I can recreate their application in a couple weeks, but I can't prompt my way to creating their data. For you, this means that AI can't create your data or your story. The second is relationships and trust. The AWS company spent years helping customers solve their problems. Companies trust them to deliver and produce value. AI can't replicate those relationships and build that trust. AI also can't replace relationships in your life. Well, at least not yet. The last one is taste. Taste is hard to define. It's not aesthetic preference, though that's part of it. It's accumulated judgment, decisions you make from experience that you can't always articulate. It's that gut feeling you can't explain. AI knows the rules. Ask it about microservices versus monoliths, and it'll reason through every trade-off, giving you a black and white view. But we don't live in a black and white world. We live in a gray one. Both answers might be right. You still have to pick one, and that's where taste lives. AI has read every book ever written about fire. It can tell you the temperature wood ignites, the color of the flames, and what a burn feels like from 1,000 first-hand accounts. But you know what? AI has never been burned. It doesn't know what a burn really feels like, which has to be experienced. And AI can experience things. That's taste. And as humans, that's what we bring to the table. So how am I actually adapting? I make data like everyone else does, so I'm capturing mine and using it to learn about myself. I'm building relationships. In part, the purpose of this video is to have a conversation with you and earn your trust and share what I know. Maybe you'll leave a comment. I'll read it. And we'll have taken a step towards trust. And then I keep learning, even things AI is already good at. Some people think that if AI is already good at something, there's no point in learning it. I don't think that really matters. Sure, you won't match AI's raw speed and power. And the point was never to beat AI at being AI. It's to learn, because learning is how you build taste. And taste is just learning that's been forged in the judgment. So beat AI at being human. I spent 25 years as a software engineer, and I know what it feels like to watch AI undercut my skills. I'm living it now. The ground is moving underneath my feet. The answer isn't to stop walking. It's to keep going and to find your footing. Thanks for watching.